Buy this, not that. Tools that just make sense, and some that don't. Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking a little bit about the most common tool that we will use as mechanics, and that is our ratchet. Right here I've got my Mac 3/8 ratchet. You can see that it's pretty fine-toothed here. You can find a lot of videos online about tooth count and what's better or worse, but I'm going to tell you right now, as a professional mechanic, there is a huge difference between this cheap Napa ratchet and a name brand Mac or Snap-on ratchet. Not only the tooth count, which, like I said, there's a lot of videos online about, but also how smoothly they function. You can see that this one here is a little bit rough. It's one of those things that if you know, you know. And definitely go ahead and spend the extra money on a Snap-on or a Mac ratchet. I don't even own a 1/2-inch breaker bar. I just use this ratchet because I know that it's going to do everything I need it to do. And if it breaks, I bought name brand and it's under warranty. So definitely go with Snap-on, go with Mac. Stay away from these cheapy Napa or whatever other brand ratchets. If this video was useful, like and subscribe.